Motorola is unveiling its new earbuds, the Moto Buds Loop. The Moto Buds Loop is the brand's first open ear that promises to offer a premium sound quality. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The house at 12 mm ironless drivers that support a special sound and a design for better surrounding awareness. It is a loop design for a snake fit on the user's ears and arrives in two colors options. Motorola packs the new earbuds with Moto AI for voice commands and even brings Smart Connect for the quick switching between the Motorola and Lenovo branded devices. The Moto Buds loops can last for up to 8 hours on a single full charge, with the charging case bumping the number to 37 hours. It supports fast charging with a 10-minute charge offering up to 3 hours of audio playback. Other notable features include a water repellent design and Crystal Talk AI to noise reduction for an improved calling experience. Available price tag of $171 US. That's all for now and thanks for watching.